Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.
Alright, so I got Friendmail from Janet. And it's a huge box. I could barely see over it. I'm trying to show anybody's information here. And it is packed to the brim. So this is part of Janet's declutter, and she messaged me and she's like, "Hey, do you want to see like part of my do you want to see my declutter?" And I'm thinking, that's like part of her collection. I've heard she's got an amazing collection, so I'm thinking I could just see part of her collection. I'm so excited. So I was like, heck yeah, I want to see. So we're going back and forth on Marco Polo, and she's like, "So, you know, whatever you want." And I was just like, "What? Oh, okay. You want me to pick stuff? Okay. Oh, okay." So I asked her, you know, maybe if she like wanted payment for this, because it's a lot of stuff. She's like, "Oh no, I'm getting rid of it. You're helping me out." And I was like, "Well, at least let me pay shipping." So she did let me pay shipping, so I don't feel so bad, but like, it's a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get rid of all the little words are so hard today. I'm wearing the wrong shirt. I should be wearing Debbie's shirt. This is words are hard. Let me get rid of all the bubble wrap so that I'm not making a bunch of noise, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so part of the first bundle here, we have the Surrender palette from Unearthly Cosmetics. And that is the color story for that. Then we have from Melt Cosmetics, we have the Smoke Sessions 2. I don't have any of the Smoke Sessions ones. That's like, wow, okay. And that is the color story for that. Then from Wicked Widow, we have the Graveyard Smash. That is so pretty. Then from Clarity, we have the Stained Glass. I saw that and I was just like, oh yeah, that's a me color story. And then from Lethal Cosmetics, there is a highlighter. Under the mirror, it says, "It's okay to show all your colors." I don't know what shade this is. I'm gonna pull out my magnet and see if it's comes out. It does come out. It is the shade Isotope. And then I have, let's see, this is the Becca Hydromus Set and Refresh Powder. Alright, the next bundle. These are so well packaged. It's crazy. From Sugar Drizzle, we have the Frosty Flamingo. And that is the color story. Look at the shifty. Getting distracted by sparklies and shinies. And then from Unearthly, we have the Sleepover palette. And that is the color story on that. I think what I want to do with these is put them in my No Pan Left Behind and really show these some love. All right. My next bundle here. We have from Give Me Glow. I don't think I have anything from Give Me Glow. The Bronzed Bombshell. I'll put that in the rotation. That's pretty. And then, oh wait, she said this wasn't a bronzer. It is, yeah, no. Oh no, it's a what? Perfecting Translucent Powder? I think I will try that as a bronzer, because my brain looked at that and was like, bronzer, bronzer. So from Glamlight, we have the Chocolate Martini. Now I have the green one of these, but that was the only one that I got from that collection. And then this is the wine palette. So there was, I think, 4 out of the collection. So now I have 3 of the 4. I'm so excited. This is like... I put it into 2 categories. I was like, these are the ones I'm like gaga over, like drooling over. And then these are the ones I'm like, oh, those are nice. She's like, oh, well, I'll just send them all. I was like, okay, are you sure? She's like, yes, please take them. All right, the next bundle we have the Unearthly Not Normal palette. I love the Unearthly palettes. Then the Unearthly Leather and Lace. I have been trying to get my hands on this one for a while, because I look at that color story and I'm just like, I need that. That is beautiful. We got purples if you're feeling a little. We got some neutrals, and of course we got the greens. Gotta have all the greens. And this is from Ipsy Cosmetics. It is the Pixie Grove palette. I didn't hear of this one. But of course, there's my baby poop green. Oh wow, these... Oh wait, you can see a little bit right there, the pink and the green shift on the top 2 ones that look white. Oh, those are so pretty. And then the Electrum Blood Moon palette. This is another one that I wasn't able to get. Oh, so pretty. Alright, in this bundle we have Dr. Jart Black Label Detox BB cream. And then the KVD Good Apple Concealer. And these will go in the wear test pile. And the NYX Bear With Me Blur. Those look like exactly the right shade. And then a whole collection of lip glosses from Electrum. This is Afterlife, Cosmia, Transcend, Nymph, Vortex, Ghosted, Divine, which is funny because I see it as this Debutawn purple. And in the monitor, it doesn't look like that. Interesting. And then this one is Nocturnal. And I see a blue-purple. And it looks blue-green. Yeah, blue-green-purple is the shift in that. And those are glosses. Alright, in the next bundle, we've got the Wicked Widow Love Sick palette. That is that color straight. That's pretty. And then Cara Beauty Daydream. I think this is the one where I saw it and I was just like, I need that one. Yeah. Look at the grains. I needed that. So beautiful. And then we have some highlights in what looks like could be used as a blush from Lethal. And then these are from Unearthly blushes. That's that purple one. It's pretty. Then we have this. This is like the cherry on top of a caramel chocolate sundae with all the fixings and a banana. Gotta have a banana in there. This is the Nomad Keys Beachy and Peachy. And then I'm excited about this one. I didn't get to get it because I wanted something else when it came time, when this came out. And I was like, but I want the other one. And so I grabbed the other one and then I was going to get this one. And then I was like, oh, when the next one came out, but I want that one. It is the Nomad Polar Express. And this is just gorgeous. And I've been wanting to stick my finger in that middle purple shade since I saw it the first time. Oh my gosh. So, a very huge thank you to Janet. This is absolutely amazing. I wish that she had like a channel. I would tell you like go over there and like subscribe and show her love. She does have an Instagram. I'm gonna have to link that below. I'll ask her if I can link it below if that's okay. But if it's linked below, go over, follow her Instagram, and show her all the love because this is absolutely amazing. She didn't even have to offer any of it, let alone all of it. Like, wow. Thank you so much to Janet. Yeah, I am definitely going to put all of these into the No Pan Left Behind. Well, at least all the eyeshadow palettes. And of course, the powders, like the blushes and bronzers and highlights and all that. Those will go into rotation for All About That Face. Yeah, and of course, the foundation and concealers, the foundations and concealer, got that backwards, will go into the wear test pile. This is a huge amount of content, like crazy amount of content. I'm going to really enjoy making content out of this, and I'm going to have to give her all the sneaky peekies, because She definitely deserves all the sneaky peekies. Again, thank you so much, Janet. This is absolutely amazing. Yeah. I'm like a little bit lost for words. All right, so I am going to definitely link her below. Like I said, okay, let's rephrase. I'm going to ask her permission if it's okay to link her below. And then if she says yes, I will definitely link her below. And go show her some love. Most of you probably actually already know her because she's very active in the comment sections and very active over on Debutawn's channel and lives and stuff. She's a very awesome person. And I'm, like, every time I talk to her, I'm just like, I feel like we're on the same wavelength. Like, all right. So for the rest of you, I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And remember, it costs nothing to be kind. And I will see you all next time. Bye.
Troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget.